Entry-level deck showdown. Ano ba mas okay? DDJ Flex 2 ng Alpha Theta or yung Impulse 300 Mark II ng Hercules DJ? Kasi kung tutuusin, medyo similar nga naman talaga yung dalawang controllers na to. Pareho silang 2 channels, pareho silang may 3-band EQ, filter knobs, may crossfader, pitch faders, 8 performance pads, 2 jog wheels. Pero there are 2 key differences in these controllers that you may want to consider before choosing which one to buy. Una would be the main outputs. Dito sa DDJ Flex 2, meron tayong 3.55mm o yung 8-inch na jacks para sa output natin ng speakers, pati ng headphones. Doon sa Impulse 300 Mark II, RCA yung outputs niya. Pati 3.5mm para sa mga headphones. But I think the more important differentiator between these two, for me, is the software that works with these two. So in DDJ Flex 2 works with Rekordbox DJ, which is made by Alpha Theta, formerly Pioneer DJ. Tapos gumagana rin siya with Serato. Kaya nga, Flex yung pangalan ng controller na to. Now, yung Hercules Impulse 300 Mark II doesn't work with Rekordbox. Bakit? Dahil yung gumagana lang with Rekordbox software are controllers and devices made by Pioneer DJ or Alpha Theta, di ba? It's one and the same company. So yung Impulse 300 Mark II doesn't work with Rekordbox, but it does work with Serato DJ.